Hi everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter. Chapter name is equations. Very easy chapter, but starting onwards you have to listen carefully. Then only this chapter will be easy. Okay, so let's start. Our first subheading is addition and subtraction. These two are very familiar to you, isn't it? So let's start from that. So our first question is 6 more marks and I will have got full 100 marks in the maths test. Rajan was sad. How much mark did he actually get? In this first question, a boy is saying that in order to get 100 mark for maths test, he needs 6 more marks. 6 more means plus. Okay, more means it is plus. Okay, 6 more mark he needed to get what? 100 mark. Then what will be his actual mark? This is a question. Very easy one. What we need to do here, plus 6 means come to this side, it will be what? Just opposite, that is minus. So without doing all this you can say the answer. So here 100 minus 6, that is 94. So 94 is his actual mark. 94 plus 6, answer is what? 100 mark. So he got 94 marks. Next is question number 2. Mother gave 60 rupees to Lizzie for buying books. She gave back the 13 rupees left. For how much money did she buy books? In this question, mother gave 60 rupees. Okay, to buy books, 60 rupees mother gave to Lizzie. And she gave back 13 rupees. Okay, 13 rupees was the balance amount. Question is, how much money did she spend to buy the books? That is the question here. So in order to find this, 13 is the balance amount. Okay, 13 is the balance amount. So in order to find the answer, what we need to do? Just subtract 60 minus 13 is enough. So 16 minus 13, answer is what? 47 is the answer, because 47 rupees she spent. Then only answer will be what? 13. Then only this 13 rupees will be left. Okay, so 60 minus 47 also what? 13 is the answer. So this is the method for this second question. Next is question number 3. Gopalan bought a bunch of bananas. 7 of them were rotten, which he threw away. Now there are 46. How many bananas were there in the bunch? Okay. Here in this question, Gopalan bought a bunch of bananas. We don't know how many bananas were there in that. Okay. So a bunch of bananas. From this, 7 were rotten. Okay, 7 were rotten that he threw away. So that 7 we need to subtract from this total. That is minus 7. And now what remains? 46 bananas were here. Okay, 46 is the balanced bananas. Then question is, what is the total number in that bunch? Total number of bananas in that bunch. This is the question. So in order to find this, minus 7 here, we need to find this. So minus 7 come to this side, it will be plus 7. So 46 plus 7 we need to find. That is 53. So total 53 bananas were there in that bunch. Next is question number 5. 264 added to a number makes it 452. What is the number? So here 264 added to a number. Added to a number. That number we don't know. Okay, a number gives what? 452. Okay, 264 added to a number, answer is 452. Then what is this number? That is a question. So in order to find here, same like the previous case, here 264 is a positive number. So 264, as it is positive, comes to this side, it will be minus. Just reverse. Okay, reverse sign. Positive opposite is negative. Negative's opposite is positive. Negative's opposite positive. Okay, so here answer will be 452 plus here, so here it will be minus 264. 264. Just by subtracting this we will get the answer. 188. Okay, when you subtract this, you will get the answer as 188. So the number here in this position will be 188. 188, when we add to 264, we will get the answer as 452. Next is question number 6. 198 subtracted from a number makes it 163. What is the number? Here we need to subtract 198. Okay, 198 we need to subtract from a number. Subtract. Okay, this we need to subtract from a number. Okay, this positive, these two numbers position will change. Previous one added to this number. Here from this number 198 is subtracted. The answer is what? 163 is the answer. Then what is this number? This is the question. So here same like the previous case, only this number we need to find. So for that, keep this number here and take this minus 198 to this side. So minus comes to this side, it will be plus. So answer will be, the number will be equal to already 163 here, minus 198 to this side comes to this side. So here it will be positive minus. So here it will be positive 198. After adding this, we will get the answer. So here answer will be 361. Okay, 361 is the answer. When you add this, you will get this answer. So this is the answer. Next subheading is multiplication and division. No more explanations to give, just multiplication and division. Directly, let's go to the problems. Second activity. Okay, from the textbook, second activity. Here is your first question. In a company, the manager's salary is 5 times that of a peon. The manager gets 40,000 rupees a month. How much does a peon gets a month? Okay. Here we are learning the chapter equations. Okay. And the main use of equation is, if we know one quantity, we can easily find the next quantity. Okay. That means the related to that two quantities will give. Okay. Any one relation, okay, that will give in the question. By using that, we can create one equation, and by solving that, we can find the next quantity. Okay, one quantity will give. So here in this question, manager's salary is given and peon's salary we need to find. Let's see. This is a clue given in the question. What was the question? Manager's salary is 5 times peon's salary. Okay, whatever be peon's salary, it's 5 times is manager's salary. That is the question given. Okay, we can write that word, that statement as an equation like this. Okay, manager's salary equal to 5 times peon's salary. And here in this, manager's salary is already given in the question. What is manager's salary? 40,000 is manager's salary. Okay, so that we need to write here. That is equal to 5 times. This times means it is 5 into. Okay, times means 5 into. 5 into peon's salary, that we don't know. This is we need to find. Peon's salary we need to find. That is a question. In this case I told you, if we want to change the positions of numbers, we need to change their sign also. Okay, that means if plus here, we need to change that number to this side. After equal, if you want to write that, then along with the sign we need to change. So opposite of the signs we will use opposites. So plus, opposite, minus here. If here it is minus, its opposite will be plus. Now into and divisions are opposites. If here it is into, comes to this side, it will be divide. Now if here it is divide, division come to this side, here it will be multiplication. So here we need to find what? Peon's salary we need to find. That means this we need to find. So keep peon's salary here. Only peon's salary. What we need to find, that we have to keep there itself. Okay. So peon's salary. Here 5 into. This 5 into we don't want here. We want here only what? P. That is peon's salary. So here 5 into. So 5 into come to this side. It will be into's opposite. That is division. Already 140,000 is here. Okay, 40,000 into 5 means here it will be divided by 5. Okay, opposite into 5 come to this side, it will be divided by 5. Now by simplifying this, we can find the salary. Salary of what? Who? Peon's salary. So here in 5 only 1 5. In 4 no 5s, so take 40. In 40 how many 5s? 8 5s are 40. Then 3 zeros balance. That means this peon's salary is what? 8,000 rupees is the peon's salary. Okay, 8,000 rupees. Now 5 times peon's salary means 8,000 into 5. 5 times 8,000 into 5 is what? 40,000. Okay, so this is the method, multiplication and division. First question answer. Second question is, the travelers of a picnic split equally the 5,200 rupees spent. Each gave 1,300 rupees. How many travelers were there? Okay, same like the previous question. Let's write the equation first. That means we need to convert the statement into equation form. That let's do first. Then let's solve. Here total amount was 5,200. 5,200 was the total amount a group spent. Okay, a group spent for a picnic. 5,200 is the total expense. And one, after dividing this 5,200 rupees equally, each person contribute 1,300. That means one person contribution is 1,300. 1,300 is one person's contribution. Now question is, how many persons were in that trip? Okay, that is the question. How many persons? So here it is given that 5,200 rupees divide equally. Okay, 5,200 divide equally means, for example, if 4 person is there, divided by 4. If 5 person is there, divided by 5. Here number of person we don't know. So let's take that number as number of persons. Okay, answer is what? 1,300. Okay, only by dividing the total amount with the number of person we will get one person's contribution, that is 1,300. Now we need to find what? Number of persons. How many persons were there? That is the question. So in order to find this, we need to take this number of persons to this side and this 1,300 to this side. Okay, here it is division also. Here also will be division. So 1,300 comes to this side. So here 5,200, here 1,300 comes to this side, it will be by 1,300 equal to, divided by number. Okay, divided by number. So divide by number of persons, come to this side, it will be what? It will be in the numerator. So number of persons. Okay, number of persons will be in the numerator. I will explain once more. We need to find what? Number of persons. We need to find number of person. That means that number of person must be in the numerator side. So let's take this number of person first. Then it will be clear. So 5,200. We are taking this divided by number to this side. Already 1,300 is here. Divided by number. So divide comes to this side. It will be what? Multiply. So multiplication. What? Number of persons. Okay, multiplication. Now in order to find this number of person, we want only number of persons here. This 1,300 we don't want here. So take into 1,300 to this side. So here into 1,300 come to this side, it will be what? Division. Into comes to this side, it will be division. 5,200 into 1,300, that is by 1,300. Then here what will remain? Only number of persons will remain here. Now let's divide this. These two zeros we can cancel. Now 52 divided by 13. Okay, in 13 only one 13 is there. In 52 when you divide this, you will get 4 13s there. Okay, 4 into 13 is what? 52. So 4 is the answer. That means number of persons in that trip is what? 4. 4 persons were there in that particular trip. Okay. Next is question number 3. A number multiplied by 12 gives 756. What is the number? Write this statement like this. Okay, a number multiplied by means into 12, multiplied by 12 gives 756. Then what is this number? Very easy one, because only number we need to find. That means number we need to keep here. Okay, so number then equal to 756 already here, then into 12 we need to remove from this side and we need to add that into 12 to this side. So into 12, into come to this side, it will be what? It will be divide. So into 12 means here it is divided by 12. After dividing this, we will get the number. So here both are multiples of 2. So let's start from multiples of 2. So in 12, how many 2's? Total 6 2's are there. Okay, 6 2's are 12. Now in 7 only 3 2's are there. Balance is what? 1 is balance. 3 2's are 6. 1 will be balance. So 15. Take the 1 to this side. In 15, how many 2's? 7 2's are there. Total 7 2's are there. Now here also one remaining will be that we can keep here. So 16. In 16, how many 2's? 8 2's are there. So we got the answer as what? 378 by 6. Okay. So here also 2, if you want 2 with the 2 you can multiply, but I think 6 is better. Let's take directly 6. So in 6, how many 6? Only 1 6. In 3, no 6. So let's take as 37. In 37, how many 6? 6 6 are 36. So 37 minus 36, 1 is the remaining. So keep that 1 here. So the number will be 18. Now in 18, how many 6? 3 6 are there. Okay, 3 6 are 18. So number final answer is what? 63 is the answer. 63 is the number. If you want, you can use a direct division method also. No issue. For me, it is better. Okay. So 63 is the answer. That means the number multiplied by 12, which you give answer as 756, is 63. 63 into 12, answer will be what? 756. Question number 4. A number divided by 21 gives 756. What is the number? This question we can write like this. A number divided by 21. Number divided by 21 gives 756 as the answer. Then what will be the number? Okay. Now here also keep only number here. Okay, number we need to find. Let's keep that number here and divided by 21 we need to take to this side. Okay, so already 756 is here. In addition to that, by 21 we need to convert here. So divided by 21. Divided by 21 come to this side, it will be into 21. Now we need to multiply this 756 into 21. 756 into 21. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 7 are 7, 6 2 are 12, 1 balance, 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 balance, again 1, 7 2 are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, so 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 5, 15876. Okay, 15,876 will be the number. Okay, 15,876. When we divide this number with 21, we will get the answer as what? 756. Okay, this is the answer. Next subheading is different changes. From the textbook, page number 37, third activity problems. Let's do. Here is your first question from the third activity. Anita and her friends bought pens. For 5 pens bought together, they got a discount of 3 rupees and it cost them 32 rupees. Had they bought the pens separately, how much would each have to spend? This is the question. Let's see how to solve this. Here, Anita and her friends bought 5 pens. Okay, 5 pens together. And the total amount, okay, amount they spent for this 5 pen is 32 rupees. Okay, 32 rupees. And when they bought these 5 pens together, they got 3 rupees what? Discount. Okay, they got 3 rupees discount. Now, if they bought this pen separately, okay, if they bought this pens separately, how much would they have to pay for each pen? That is the question. Okay, 5 pens together, total cost was 32 rupees, 3 rupees discount. Then without discount, what will be the amount? Okay, without discount. After getting 3 rupees discount, what the amount was 32. If 3 rupees discount is not given, then what will be the total amount? Original amount. Original amount will be what? 32 plus 3. Okay, without discount, the total cost will be what? 35 rupees was the total cost. Now, if they are buying that 5 pens separately, what will be the amount for each pen? That is a question. We need to find amount of each pen. So, for total 5 pence amount is 35. In order to find 1 pence amount, what we need to do? Just divide. That is 35 rupees for 5 pence. So, in order to find 1 pence amount, 35 by 5, that is 7 rupees. So, 1 pence amount is what? 7 rupees. Next is question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangle is 25 meter and one of its side is 5 meter. How many meter is the other side? The question it is given that perimeter of rectangle, perimeter equal to 25 is given and one of the side is 5 meter. Okay, this is a rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides will be equal. Okay, 2 length and 2 breadth. Now perimeter. Okay, perimeter means what? Sum of all the side is perimeter. Okay, sum of all the side is perimeter. So here total 4 sides are there. 2 length and 2 breadth. So sum of all these will be what? Perimeter. And here one side is given, that is 5 meter. We can take any of the side as 5 meter. Okay, if suppose we are taking this breadth as 5 meter. Okay, suppose this breadth as 5 meter, then both these sides will be what? 5. Now we need to find what will be length. So perimeter of rectangle equation is what? Perimeter of a rectangle equation is 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, 2 length here, 2 breadth here. So 2 length plus 2 breadth. This we can write like this also. 2 into L plus B, because 2 is common in these two. In length 1 2, in breadth also 1 2. So that we can take outside. So 2 into L plus B. From this if we are taking 2, the remaining will be what? Only L remains here. From this 2B, if we are taking 2 outside, then only B will remain here. So 2 into L plus B. That answer already given, that is 25. Now here, let's take this 2 to this side. Okay, let's take this 2 to this side. Before that, let's substitute the value of breadth. Breadth already given, that is 5. So 2 into length we don't know, so take length as length, plus breadth. Breadth is what? 5. So L plus 5 equal to 25. Like this we can write. Now in the next step, what we need to find here? Length we need to find. So only length we need here. All the remaining numbers we need to take to this side. But one by one is possible, not all together. Okay, so first let's take this outside number, bracket outside number only 2. So let's take this 2 first. So remaining, if we are taking 2 to this side, the remaining will be L plus 5 will remains here. L plus 5 equal to here 25. Here 2 into, okay, 2 into L plus B. So 2 into come to this side, it will be what? By 2. Okay, here into 2 come to this side, it will be by 2. Now what is 25's half? 25's half is what? 12.5. 12.5 is 12 and half is half of 25. So 12.5, half means it is 0.5. Now we got what? L plus 5 equal to 12.5 we got. Okay, L plus 5 equal to 12.5. Now in the next step, we need to find L. So let's keep L here and take this plus 5 to this side. So L equal to here 12.5 plus 5 we need to take to this side. So plus 5 come to this side, it will be opposite of plus is minus. So minus 5. Okay. So from 12 and half, if we are subtract 5. First 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is what? 7. Then one more half is there. So 7.5. So 7.5 is what? Length of this rectangle with the perimeter as 25. So this is the answer. length is 7.5 and breadth is 5. 7.5 here, 7.5 here. So total will be what? 7 and a half plus 7 and a half, 15. Then 5 and a half, 5 plus 5, 10. So 15 plus 10, 25 we will get. Next is question number 3. In each of the problems below, the result of doing some operations on number is given. Find the number. 4 sub-questions are there. In these 4 sub-questions, we need to find the number. All these 4 sub-questions are clue to find the numbers. So let's start from first sub-question. First sub-question is 3 added to double is 101. Okay, when we add 3 to double is 101. We need to find that number. So here we need to find the number by adding 3 to double of which number is 101. Okay, so 3 added means 3 plus added to what? Double of a number. All these clues are related to a particular number. That number we need to find here. Okay, so 3 added to double of a number. So double of number means 2 into. Okay, double means it is 2 into. So 2 into, let's consider that number as what? X. Okay, let's consider that number as x. So 3 plus 2 into x. Answer is what? 101. When we add 3 to double of a particular number, we will get the answer as 101. We need to find the number. That means x we need to find here. Okay, so one by one let's take to the next step. We need only x here. So first, converting to 2 is not possible. Let's start from simple numbers. Okay, so let's convert this 3 to this side first. So here remaining will be what? 2x. 2 into x is what? 2x. This is equal to 101 plus 3. 3 is a positive number. So plus 3 come to this side will be minus 3. Okay, so here 2x will be equal to 101 minus 3. What is 101 minus 3? It is 98. Okay, so 101 minus 3, 98. Now in the next step we need to find what? The number we need to find. That means x we can find. Keep x here and take this 2. Along with the 2, take to this side. So here 198. Here 2 into x is, okay, 2 into x. So 2 into come to this side, it will be divided by 2. Don't confuse with this, just you need to take the just opposite sign. So here 2 into means here it will be divided by 2. So 98 by 2. We need to divide this. So in 2 only 1 2. In 9 how many 2's are there? 4 9's are there. Sorry, in 9 how many 2's are there? 4 2's are there. 4 2's are 8. So remaining is 1. Okay, so here 18. In 18 how many 2's? 9 2's are there. So 49 is the number. You can check 3 plus 2 into 49. 49 is the number we got. 2 into 49. 2 into 49 is what? 49's double is 98. 98 plus 3 is what? 101. So this is the answer. Sub question is 2 added to triple is 101. 2 added to triple. Same like the previous question. Let's write 2 added. That means 2 plus 2 what? Triple of number. Triple means 3 times. Okay, triple means 3 times. So 3x. Triple of a particular number. Answer is what? 101. Now we need to find what? X we need to find. Same like the previous step. First keep 3x here equal to 101. Here 2 is a plus number. Come to this side, minus 2. So here answer we will get as 3x equal to 101 minus 2. Not 3. 101 minus 2, that is 99. Okay. Now keep x here. Then take this into 3 to this side. Into 3 here, come to this side, it will be divide. Here into here it will be divide. So 99, 3 comes to this side. So divided by 3. What will be the answer? In 3 only 1 3's are there. In 9 how many 3's? 3 3's are 9. Again 1 9. In 9 again 3 3's are there. So 33 is the number. Okay, same like the previous question you can do. Third sub question is 3 subtracted from double is 101. Okay, here subtraction. So from double we need to subtract. For the previous question added 2. Okay, added 2. But here from double we need to subtract 3. So from double means first we need to write double number. So double x means it is 2x. Okay, double of number, double of a particular number. From this we need to subtract 3. So subtract 3. Okay, like this you need to write. Answer is what? 101. Answer is 101. We need to find this number. So first keep 2x here. So 2x equal to 101 is here. Minus 3 come to this side. Minus 3 come to this side will be what? Negative here. Here it will be that positive. Opposite of minus is plus. So plus 3. Okay. Now 2x equal to 101 plus 3, that is 104. Okay. Now we need to find x. So keep x only here. Then 104 here. Here into 2. Into 2 come to this side, it will be divided by 2. Now we need to divide this. So 104 by 2. Both are even numbers. So both are multiples of 2. In 2 how many 2's? Only 1 2's are there. Next take the first number 1. In 1 no 2's. So take the next number along with 1, that is 10. In 10 how many 2's are there? In 10 total 5 2's are there. 5 2's are what? 10. No reminders. Next number 4. In 4 how many 2's? 2 2's are 4. So answer is 52. So 52 is the number. When we subtract 3 from double of this 52. 52's double is what? 104 is 52. Double 52 plus 52, answer will be 104. From that 104, if we subtract 3, we will get the answer what? 101. Similarly, you can do the fourth sub question. Same like this. Here for the fourth sub question also it is a subtraction. Triple means 3 into. Try to do that. Next is question number 4. Half a number added to the number gives 111. What is the number? Half a number added to the same number. So here first we need a number. Okay, number we need to find here. So let's take that number as what? X. Okay, that number we can consider as x. Now half a number. Half a number means this number's half. So half means x by 2. That number's half. Added to what? Added to the same number. Half a number added to the same number. Here number means same number. Here to the number means the same number. So x by 2 plus x. Answer is what? 111. This is the answer. We need to find this x. Which number is here? Okay, that we need to find. So here also x is common. Okay, x is common. That x we can take outside. Okay, now inside on bracket opens. Now from this x by 2 I took x outside. So what will remains here? 1 x remains me, no number. No number means we need to put that as 1 by 2. Okay, plus from here also I took what? X I took. So here no number. No number means we need to consider that as 1. Okay, then only when we will get the answer like this. When we open the bracket also we must get the same like this. So here x into half is what? X by 2. X into 1, that also x. So this is equal to 111. Now we need to add this. Half plus 1. 1 half is there and 1 is there. So total will be what? 1 and half is there. Okay, 1 and half. So x into 1 and half. Okay, 1 and half. That is equal to 111. Now this 111 is in a multiple fraction form. Multiple fraction form. 1 and half. Multiple fraction form. We need to convert this multiple fraction into simple fraction form. Okay, then only it will be easy. So simple fraction form means just remember this tick. Here you can see that tick mark. That means from 1 to 2 one line, then towards up one line. So here 1 to 2. Here you need to multiply. then here you need to add. Will show you. Into 2 means line is going from 1 to 2, so 1 into 2, here into 1 into 2, so 2 plus, here it is plus, that answer plus numerator is what, 1, so 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 will be in the numerator and same denominator you can write like this. Okay, we'll show you one more example. 5 3 by 2. 5 3 by 2. This is also a multiple fraction. We are going to convert this into a simple fraction. So for that also let's use like this. Okay, just put remember this tick mark. So 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Towards are adding. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. So 13 by denominator, here it is 2. So 13 by 2 is the answer. So like this we can simplify. So here 1/2 simple form is what, 3 by 2, that we can write here. So here x into 3 by 2, answer is what, 111. Now from this we have to find what, x. So here in the next step we need to change the position of 3 by 2 to this side. We need only x here. So let's write x here. X equal to 111. Now into 3. Into 3 come to this side, it will be what? Here into 3 come to this side, it will be divided by 3. Now divided by 2. 2 is here in the denominator position. Divided by 2. Divided by 2 come to next side, it will be into 2. Just to reverse. Here it is into 3, that way is divided by 3. Here it is divided by 2, that's why here it is into 2. Now we can find the answer. Here 3 and 111. 111 into 2 by 3. So 111 into 2 is 222. Okay, divided by 3. Okay, let's divide them. In 3 only 1 3. In 2 no 3's, then consider 22. In 22 how many 3's are there? How many 3's in 22? 7 3's are there. 7 3's are what? 21. So balance is 1. Take that balance 1 2 along with 2. That is 12. In 12 how many 3's are there? 4 3's are 12. So answer is 74. That means the number is 74. 74 is the number. Okay, so 74's half added to the same 74, we will get the answer as what? 111. You can check. Hope you understood. Thank you. See you in the next video.